Welcome back to another video, y'all. As y'all can see, I am in the new car, and if y'all can't tell, I'm really bright on this camera. Outside is really bright. As y'all may know from the title, first modification to the car is tint. So right now I'm on my way to the tint shop because I cannot ride around like this. I've been riding around like this for a day and I'm already over it. I don't know if I'm gonna do, I know I'm going dark. I have 5% on the truck. I'm not going that dark. Possibly 20% all around, and probably the windshield 50%. If they got 15, 10%, I can check it out, see what it looks like. But that's the idea for right now. So right now we got no tint on the front, a little bit on the back, as y'all can see. But the windshield ain't got shit on it. So my boys gonna do 15% all around and 15% on the back. They're doing the car right now, so it's gonna put me in after that. But I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and get an appointment. So I'll be back first thing in the morning, so you got me first. So we're doing 15 all around, 50% in the front. I'm gonna do ceramic tint. All right, I got some errands to run, so that's the only reason I don't wanna drop the car off. And I wanna go back home and pick up my other car, cause who's sitting here for that long? Said the windows on here are pretty big, as y'all can't see. The windows on the truck pretty big, so it does take a little bit longer. So yeah, man, see y'all tomorrow. About to get it, we're back today. About to get it tinted, and they pulling the Urus out right now. Pulling the Urus, and then they're gonna do that right there. That's how they doing it.
I like it, man.
It look good.
Serious. Here's your key boss, man. Chicos.
Y'all use Expel for the tint?
We use Suntec.
What is it?
Suntec.
Suntec.
We use Expel for PPF.
PPF, I've not
Yeah.
seen it. Appreciate it.
No problem.
This shit hard. They tinted this one right before ours. They don't got no tint on their front window shield, surprisingly. Alright, I just got back in the truck. I got 50% on the window shield and 15% on the sides. As y'all can see, it's really easy to see out of the car. I mean, it's my channel. So this passenger princess right here. So 15 on the back, and in the back, further back, 10% back there, and just there's no shade on here. Actually, it might be factory shade on here, but I know for a fact, you know, we got the the Skyline is up there, so I didn't want to tint over that. So much better knowing that people cannot see me. Oh my God, the car feels so much better already. They put this right here, you know, not to roll the window down. If y'all need some tint, fast and friendly buckhead. Alright, y'all, I'm somewhere a little bit more secluded now. As y'all can see, the windows are nice and tinted. Backs, right? And the front window shit, like I said, the front is 50%, 15 on the front, and then 10% on the back. And then if you want to go like all the way dark, I'll put the shades up in the back. I'm not gonna put the shades up right now because I just don't want to press any of the window buttons. I don't know why. That's enough of talking. Let's get out of this car. Show y'all what it looks like on the exterior. Okay, so as y'all can see, the windows are completely blacked out. You can't see in the truck at all, not even a little bit. The water spots they left on the windows, I gotta clean up. Y'all know we can't do no dirty cars, but let me back up so I can get y'all a good view of the truck. The truck graphic gray, M Sport wheels. I pretty much went over everything in the last video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it now. Oh, and the front windshield. Let me get a little closer because obviously it's dark. Just trying to give you an idea. You can't see anything. You can see like a tad bit of the interior color because it's kind of bright, or like it's like brown. But I love this fucking car, bro. I feel like the X7 don't get as much love as it deserves. This is the best big size vehicle. Like, I was between this, the new Range Rover. Obviously, if you checked out my other channel, you would know I went car shopping on that channel. Yeah, it moves. If y'all didn't watch the video, I kind of went through everything. Captain seats in the back, more seats back there, obviously. Yeah, it's fucking clean. M Sport package, M wheels. We'll have the M Sport wheels that will be changing soon. The plan that I have for this car is crazy. Obviously, M package, don't mind the dirtiness. At the tent place, they literally have fucking mud everywhere. But let me get in here because it's cold out there. But the plans I have for this car, man, like I said, the X7 doesn't get no love at all. Everybody's like, it's like, I feel like everybody that buys this car, it obviously looks good, and they leave it stock, or like they leave the factory wheels or something like that. What I have in mind for this car is crazy. I'm talking about carbon fiber lip, diffuser, exhaust, tune, downpipes. Obviously first modification was tint. But the biggest thing on this build is going to be the carbon pieces on the exterior, the wrap idea that I have, and the wheels idea that I have. So y'all stick around for the build of this car. Like I said, it's the first modification already. We even had the car for what? This is the second day. Y'all got any questions about X7? You think about getting the X7 or even X5 or X6? Because pretty much it's the same. This part of the truck is pretty much similar. I believe this truck's a little bit bigger up front. Obviously it's a bigger truck, but like I said, the reason I didn't go for X5, X7, if you haven't already, once you get into the X7 and once you drive it, when I was in California, the last 2 times I went, I rented the X7, and I was like, bro, I love this car. So last year I rented this truck. When I was in California, I had it for 7 days. 7 days. I came home missing it. I was like, bro, this truck has everything. And honestly, you would think I have a million kids the way I wanted this truck. But the one that I rented, it had black seats. It didn't have the captain chairs at all. It didn't have, at nighttime I'll show y'all, so stick around for the video. At nighttime, it's called the Sky Lounge. This here lights up. It's crazy, bro. So moral of the story is, we're making X7 content. If you're here for it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to stick around, guys. And we're gonna be doing this X7 content, and we're not done with the cars. We have another car coming. Another car. I'll just give you a hint. It's a BMW. We have another BMW coming to the channel. Just, you know, like, this channel is about to be for the boys, for everybody, man, for everybody. Like, if you want something, let me know in the comments what y'all want to do, what some ideas y'all would do to this truck, or what y'all would like. I have been feeling good in this. I'm comfy, dude. I'm comfy, and the specs on this thing is amazing. I have freaking massage. I don't think y'all understand. I have massage seats. Massage seats. Like, you can't beat that. I have diamond stitching. That spec alone is crazy. The interior color alone is rare. Cool. I'm honestly not even gonna keep going, because if you didn't watch my last video, I'm not gonna give you everything right here. So you gotta go back and watch my last video. Please go back and watch my last video. I'm new here. You know what I'm saying? We're posting content every week. From here on out, we're gonna keep it rolling, keep it going. If you made it this far into the video, so you might be the first to hear this. If you did hear it, just put a steering wheel emoji in the comments. I already have the steering wheel on order. We're going with carbon. Let me stop. I can't say too much. Y'all just lock in. Let me know y'all here, man. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all like the new vehicle. I seen a lot of you guys watching the previous video I put up. I know you guys been looking at me look for a new car for a while. I can't see myself getting rid of this. You know how you buy a car, but I'm gonna hold on to this one for, like, when I brought this one, I was like, bro, if I ever get rid of this car, it will just be for another model. And honestly, I don't even know which model I'll switch it out for, because the specs is crazy. I would have to spec it out hand by hand, craft by craft myself. The next one, this X7 is fire, dude. It's fire. And if y'all didn't notice it now, I got a new lens on my camera. I know how you like the lens. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a couple clips of the exterior, hit a little V-roll for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Y'all been here. If y'all been here since the detailing videos, I appreciate y'all for sticking around and watching me grow and this YouTube journey. So yeah, man.